Outstanding design defines the 2013 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.